Our topic is sewage water treatment, which is under the guidance of Nikisha Mehra ma'am, Assistant Professor for EVs. Aim. Aim for our project is sewage water treatment. Objectives of sewage water treatments are protect public health, safeguard the environment, recover resources, meet regulations, and promote community well-being.
Preliminary treatments. Large objects such as sticks, racks, and grids are removed through screening and grid chamber to prevent damage to downstream equipment. Preliminary treatment consists of the screening, pumping, and grid removal of a large solid fat and other material from a sewage so as to protect wastewater treatment facility engage in further treatment. The first stage of wastewater treatment, which remove debris, sand, grid, and fine particles.
This is the rough diagram for the treatment, sewage water treatment, which includes the inlet, the container, and the grid and the outlet. In this diagram, there is a sewage water treatment comes inside the container through inlet, and there is a layer of fat, oils, and grease in which grit particles are present through grit. And there is a compressed air which is optional, and then the sewage water is discarded through outlet.
Primary treatment. Primary sewage water treatment entails filtration and sedimentation of a solid waste inside the water. It involves the physical removal of a large and small particle through filtration and sedimentation. This is done in many stages. Initially, floating debris is removed by the sequential filtration and then the grid. Soil and small pebbles is removed by the sedimentation.
Primary treatment. The sewage water treatment comes inside the influent and passed through the screening to the grid chamber. In the grid chamber, the treatment takes place, and after it is passed into the sedimentation tank, in which the puration of some particles of sewage water treatment occur, and then it is discharged to effluents to the secondary treatment.
Secondary treatment. Secondary treatment involves the removal of biodegradable organic matter and suspended soils through the process of aeration and filtration. It removes the smaller particles not captured by primary sedimentation. This is done by using a trickling filter, activated sludge, or a chemically enhanced treatment. Secondary sedimentation is used when pathogens and fecal matters are high.
Secondary treatment includes various processes and various tanks such as chamber tanks, primary tanks, balance tank, and acquired sludge tank. In this tank, the process of cleaning sewage water, treating sewage water occurs, and then the sewage water partially cleaned is discharged.
Tertiary treatment. Tertiary treatment is the next wastewater treatment process after secondary treatment. This steps removes stubborn contaminants that secondary treatment was not able to clean up. Tertiary treatment removes the load of nitrogen and phosphorus present in the water. It includes processes like filtration, ion exchange, activated carbon adsorption.
This diagram shows every step of the treatment. First, primary treatment. Raw sewage enters the plant, and it is passed to the bar screen, and then the pump station, then the primary secondary settling tanks, and then it is passed to the equalization tank. At the starting of secondary treatment, the sewage water which is passed from the preliminary and primary treatment enters into the activated sludge tank, and then secondary qualifier, and then equalization plant, ASCPS. After that, it enters into the tertiary treatment, and then it enters, and the wastewater and the sewage water enters into the tertiary clarifiers, then into the gravity fillers, then into the regeneration, chlorination, dechlorination tanks, and also it filters from monomedia, and then the treated water is discharged through an outfall to a packet grid.
Advantages of sewage water treatment. Treating sewage water helps protect public health by removing harmful pollutants and pathogens. It also safeguards the environment by preventing contamination of water bodies and conserves water resources by recycling treated water for irrigation or industrial use. Disadvantages of sewage water treatment. Sewage water treatment can be costly, energy intensive, and require advanced infrastructure. Additionally, it may not completely remove all contaminants, leading to potential health and environmental risks. It is prepared by Vidula Pitale, Asmita Pitambare, Ankita Rane.